Hello, Raziq. Finally, it takes a long time to start up. Okay, no problem. Okay, are you okay? What happened? Mr. Raziq got to turn on the video. Otherwise, we will not continue. Okay, here we're gonna start with. Hold on, hold on. Sorry, sorry. Okay. Okay, we're going to problem sums. This one is really to make sure that you are totally ready. Can you try this question, please? First of all. Okay, good. Please draw. Please draw, please draw. Good. Hi. What's happening? Yeah. Good. Okay, I write for you. I write for you. You want to write ABC, right? Okay. A, B, C. Okay, you draw. You can draw in an exercise book also, no? Then you can just show me. Why don't you draw in your exercise book and you show me lah? Okay, good. This model is correct. And see. Mhm. You can tell me how many units I can draw for you. Okay, well done. And then where do you put the number 8585? Okay, no problem, no problem. I'll draw for you, I'll draw for you. Okay, I'll draw this for you, okay? Okay, where do you put this number? Okay, no, you don't draw again. Never mind, never mind, never mind, never mind. Don't get frustrated now. Okay, I'll draw for you, huh? Because this is what I saw you draw. That means you understand. Well done. Okay. Where's your 585? Very good, correct. All right, this one. Okay. Okay, tell me the steps you're going to do. You don't need to draw anymore. Very good. Very good, very good. No problem. Tell me what's the steps you're going to do. You just tell me, like, turn on your volume, turn on your video. Tell me your step. Step one, what you're going to do. Okay, 5 divided by what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Divide by 9. Okay. So 585. You can do on a piece of paper lah. You can divide by 9. You can do on a piece of paper, no problem. Can you get an answer? Can you get? Then just tell me right here.
$65.
Good, well done. That's for 1 unit, huh? So how many does Adam have?
65
Times 2. Okay, good, well done. You get 135. Well done. 130. Well done, huh? So if you find that it's difficult to write on the thing, no problem. You just tell me what to do. Okay, I'll become your robot. Well done, you got no problem with this. Not this one. Same model, similar model stuff. You just tell me what to do lah. Or you can draw an exercise book. If you're going to draw too long, huh? It's going to waste time. Tell me what to do. Tell me to draw what? I'll draw for you. Draw. Just tell me lah, because I think something wrong your computer. Okay, what do I draw? Don't know. You know. Just now you know how to do. Maybe you're frustrated lah. Don't be frustrated lah, Mister. Okay, now there's 3 colors. Straw, green, red, yellow. You can draw lah. Green, red, yellow. First one, tell me what I draw 3, what I draw 1. What I draw 3, what I draw 1. What I draw. Draw 3, Still don't know. There were 3 times as many yellow as red. 3 times yellow versus red. So that means red got 1. Red got 1. Yellow got 3. 1, 2, 3. So this means 3 times yellow of red. Then they tell you there's 20 more red straws than green. Now red and green, which one is more? Did red more or green more? Red more, okay. Red more, okay, good, good. So green must be less lah. Let's say green is like that. So from here to here, we know how much this is. All right, because this is the line of it. Green had red got 20 more down here. So now the whole thing is equals to 250. Can you solve it? You do an exercise book. You solve it. Can Step 1. You need to make the green one into 1 unit. How? You plus 20. You plus 20 on the left side, plus down here also. So that means down here got 5 units. How you get 5 units? 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole thing is 5. 5 units equals to 250 plus 20. Why was 20? This is not 1 unit. Must plus 20, they become 1 full unit like that. Okay, you try to solve lah. You try to solve. You try to solve. Try to solve. Okay, 5 units, 270. 1 unit sama. Can get 270.
No.
Okay, so total 5 units get 270. You see, this is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. 1 unit altogether, 3 unit. This one 1 unit, 4 unit. This one is not 1 unit. You must plus 20. 250 divided by 7. By 5. You get
Eh?
54.
Is 4.
Okay, 270 divided by 5.
Oh, why?
Never mind. Because I think your computer side is a little bit weak lah. Equals
I
to,
don't understand a thing.
you don't understand what I'm teaching? You don't understand? Okay, I will erase all first. We start again, can?
How is this 1 unit?
Okay, I erase first. I erase first now. Now we start from the beginning now. There's green, red, and yellow straws. And then they tell you this statement. This one you have to be able to understand. 3 times as many yellow straws as red straws. Means yellow straws got 3 times. 3 units. Red straws, 1 unit. Red straws is 1 unit, right? Okay. And then green straws, we write here because now they're going to compare red and green. So I put it beside now. Red one is even more than the green. Red is 1 unit, green is less than 1 unit. How many? I don't know. Let's say I do the zigzag there. I don't know how many. Okay. So I'm going to make it big lah. Now I'm going to make it big. Okay, I erase, I'm going to make it big so that you can see. Okay, I'm going to erase, I'm going to make it big. Okay. I erase, I make it big so that I want you to be able to see that you are not confused. Yellow, they say got 3 units. Now see, yellow 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Red, only 1 unit. Okay. Green, less than 1 unit. How many? I also do not know. So we do a zigzag. We do not know. But for sure it's less than 1 unit. But they tell us, compared the red got 20 more. So down here is 20. Which part down here? But there's no 20 here now. It's just that it's short by 20. Down here. If you want this green to be 1 unit, you must plus 20 become 1 full unit. The number become 1 full unit. So now how? How to do this question? The whole thing they say is 250. But we have a problem. We can count. This one is 1, this one 2, 3, 4. This one is not 1 unit, it's less than 1 unit, less than 8. But if we plus the 20 units, 20 straws, this one become 1 unit. So I'm going to plus 20 straws. So I get 5 units. 5 units is not equal to 250, it's 250 plus 20. Okay, equals to 270. How are we okay? Are you confused or okay? Confused or okay? A little confused. So now down here, okay, I give you another question.
It's right.
Sorry?
Because it's already like 5 unit, right? And then the 20 already minus to that one. It shouldn't be one more. It shouldn't be 1 unit.
Okay, so we do it this way now. See, now I'm going to give you another question, okay? I'm going to try now another question, but I write on the whiteboard here lah. Okay, this is the whiteboard. A has 10 less marbles than B. Okay. So you can draw B got 1 unit. A got less than 1 unit. How much less? I don't know how much A have, but I know that the difference between A and B is 10. Oh, yeah. Now let's say the total they have is, let's say the total they have is let's see, 35. No, not 35, sorry, not 35. 40. Can you find what is A? Can you find what is A? Then you can see this model. Cannot. Yeah, I think your computer not so good.
What's this part? I don't understand.
10 less marbles.
And what's this?
There's 10 also. Then B. Yeah, I'll draw again. Because this one is a little bit difficult to draw.
What is this?
Then B.
Then B.
I will write it again. If you want, I'll write it again. Here to here. This here is from here to here is 10.
Is this supposed to be arrow?
Yeah, this is like arrow lah. It's like arrow like that lah. Arrow from here like that.
I don't know.
Huh?
You also can just do this what?
Do what? Okay, yeah. Okay, great. Okay, you do that. Well, how do you get that one? I gotta find out where you get it.
Go to the draw.
Draw. Okay. Oh, draw. Okay.
The last part. The row.
This one.
No, the beside that.
Oh, yeah. Okay, thank you very much for teaching me. Okay, so well done. Being down here. Okay. So I will. Okay, thank you. So how? Can you get it? Still cannot. Yeah.
Eh. Is the stand supposed to be 40?
Okay, so now you want to know how many, you don't know how many unit this is. Can you make it into a full unit? Yes, you can.
Yeah.
You can, but what do you do to make it into a full unit? You see, hold on, I just draw this now. I think okay. Oh, sorry. See, I make it into a full unit now. I'm going to draw using a green color. I make it into full unit. But how do I make it into full unit? I must plus 10. So if I plus 10 here, I get 2 units. I must also plus 10 here. So now 50 is equals to 2 units. But if you don't plus 10 here and you have 40, you do not know how many units they are. 40 equals to 1 unit plus how many? I don't know. But if I plus 10, I know that's become 2 units. But I must also plus 10 here. So 2 units is equals to 50. That's the part. You get it? Cannot? What happened to your computer? Rosak?
Nothing happened.
Cannot hear now.
I just continue lah.
Okay, so 2 units. Okay, I write it down here lah because you cannot see my what's my the screen. Okay, that's now 2 units is equals to 50. Why 50? We have to plus the 10 as now. So 1 unit you find 50 divided by 2. We'll get 25. That's how you do it. The same thing down here. This part is the same thing. What do you mean same thing? Yeah, I draw this part. Green. It cannot even. Oh, stop. You see green down here. Hey. What happened? Hold on, Raziq. I do not know what has happened. Okay, hold on. Yeah, Raziq, I cannot go on. Ini I stop. Start. Okay, so we start again down here. There's now this green. This green, we do not know how much it has. So I'm going to use like that. Sometimes they use like that, this sign. Never seen before now. They say they do not know what this is. But the red got more than the green. How much more? 20 more. So what is this green on here? Okay, this green now. From here to here, this is 20 lah. See, you've taught me something new. Well done. From here to here, this is 20. Can you see now? And then the yellow is like that. So the whole thing is, aduh sakit lah, sakit aku punya telinga. So now, how many units is equal to 250? 1, 2, 3, 4, but we do not know how many units this is. What happened? Are you okay?
Eh.
Okay, can you see the problem here now? If I want to know the number of units, I cannot tell this is 1, 2, 3, 4, plus how many, I don't know. So in order to make it 1 unit down here, I need to plus 20. So I plus 20 here, I must also plus 20 here. Question mark, you don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. Just now, remember we show you the example, same thing. We show you the example. Sorry? What you say?
Nothing.
No, you don't understand. Okay, you don't understand. Okay, we move on. Then we try another question, and then we try this another day lah. Or maybe when I go to your house. What? Sorry?
What is this?
What is this? That one is
This.
the dialog box. Just now, remember? I showed you. Okay, I'll remove all of it. I remove this. I delete this. Okay, now no more. Okay. If you find it difficult, this one, never mind. We will try another time. But actually, this is a new type of model that you need to learn. Because sometimes the model is such that you cannot count the number of units. The units is not enough here. So never mind, I'll prepare for this other lesson another time with a special model lesson. Okay, so we move on to something else. Okay, that's the end of the paper. This is Henry Park. Okay. Dealing with crime. Can you try question 16? Have you learned time before? Raziq, are you there, Raziq? How come you turn off your video? Raziq.
Oh, wait, what?
What happened, Raziq? You don't want to learn? I don't know what's the problem actually. What's the problem? How come you turn off your video?
I just go to YouTube and just search for Symmetry.
Why you do that for? Okay, come now. You know how to do this one or not? You know how to do this one?
I don't know.
You have not learned time before, eh?
Eat,
Okay.
learn.
Did learn, eh? Okay, now.
I learn.
You learn. Okay. Now, Ben, he spent 2 hours, 35 minutes on music. Then he spent 40 minutes on swimming. So you got 2 hours, 35 minutes music, 40 minutes on swimming. So you must start now. Let's say start at 10 o'clock. How do you count for time? Do you start at that counting at 10, 20? And then this is now the beginning of it.
In school, I'm learning symmetry, but I don't know how to do.
Symmetry.
Yeah,
Okay.
but I don't know how to do.
Okay, then we'll do symmetry in the next lesson. Okay, symmetry. You want symmetry? We'll do symmetry now.
I
Okay.
don't, I'm learning that in school, but I don't understand.
Okay, come we do symmetry, yeah. This is book A or book B? Book A, is it? Symmetry? I think book A lah. Okay. You give me a moment, just give me 1 minute. I will get some symmetry questions. Then uh, SC1. I think SC1 tested symmetry, right? Okay, let's check. We try this one, see whether it works. Okay, we search for symmetry questions, and then we do a few symmetry questions. Subhana. Okay, I'm gonna now share with you. You see whether you can find a symmetry question. This is now SC1 paper. Because your topic is symmetry.
About symmetry and just distract me.
No problem. It's good that you tell me you do not know what you do not know. So now you'll search for it. Symmetry means you can divide it into exactly two halves. Exactly. So number one, you think you can divide exactly into two, like a mirror. Can? Can you try to cut number one? You try to cut number one. See what you can. How you gonna cut? Okay, I'll show you how we can cut. Down here, if you take a ruler, you cut on here straight. Can you see that this one is exactly half? If you fold it up, this part will touch this part. This one will touch. So this is symmetrical. Means if you put a mirror down here, let's say this part is mirror lah, imagine mirror. You can see exactly the image is like that. This is symmetry. Means it can be divided exactly into two halves. Exactly. Whereas this one cannot. You cut like that. Okay, let's say now if you cut this way, you cut this way, you cannot cut into two halves. You see, I cut on here. This one is smaller, shorter. This one is higher. This one is shorter, so cannot. So now if I cut another way, if I cut this way, also cannot because this side now, small become big. Yeah, I must draw carefully like see. See, down here I draw. Can you see down here small? Down here become big. Whereas this side is like all the same all the time. So this is not symmetrical figure. Okay, so we try them. We try a few lah. I will download a few papers and then you try to see whether you can do the symmetrical figure. Okay, let me try the next one. I'll open because this one symmetrical figure normally not many questions lah. So you have to do one by one lah. That means one test paper only 2 questions. So I'm going to open up the other one now. And you see whether you can solve it. Okay, now you can see ACS. Are you able to see ACS? Okay, down here now. Okay, now. So now you see the symmetrical figure.
No.
No, we're doing symmetry.
Wait.
Hold on.
What's that voice?
Which one? Which one is a line of symmetry? Line of symmetry is where you can cut it exactly into two. Which one is a line of symmetry? When you can cut it exactly into two. Which one?
AB.
AB, if you cut like that, see,
ABC.
no. If you put AB, let's say we take your first one, AB, I cut here. Can you see what happened? I get one small triangle down here, and this bottom part, a big one. So this is not a line of symmetry. This is not, you cut, you get one triangle here, and then the other side, what do you get? You get this big diamond like that down here. Can you see now? The shade I'm shading. So you didn't cut it exactly into two parts. We need you to cut it exactly into two parts. Which line would it be? Which one? No, must be one line. You see, they give you line AB.
Okay. C2, CD.
CD. Okay, let us see. CD. You cut CD. Can you see that? Exactly down here is the same. The left side is the same as the right side. Okay, we put down here. This is exactly the same. So you're correct. This one is correct. Well done. Okay, we try the next one. There's not many symmetry questions in each paper normally. So we have to go to paper 2. They will get one more. Normally it's 2 questions here. Okay, so you try the next one. Oh, no more symmetry there.
I'm just watching this video of the Symmetry.
Down here. What 2 squares? Alamak, I think they shaded already for you. You see, down here, they ask you to shade the 2 squares. Now down here, they show you, when you shade the 2 squares, then become symmetrical. They already shade for you, can see, right? So by right, if let's say they don't shade, you can shade this part and then become symmetrical. See, down here, here, reflection. Okay. Matrix, there's something like, we see any more? I think there's no more down here, so we try the next one. Okay, this one now in B, in section B. So normally only 2 questions. Which of the following alphabet? You read it.
Wait, is it only one?
Yeah, only one. One line of symmetry.
Has more than one.
Yeah, more than one. More than one line of symmetry.
H.
H.
Yes.
Okay, how many lines of symmetry you think you have?
2.
Well done. So one this way,
First
one this way.
straight and then.
Well done. So now we try the next one now. Okay, can you see this is what we see as sama lah. This is the same one. Okay, just one moment. Let me just check this one. Just now we were doing this one, right? Any more now? You say are you still confused or you are okay?
Huh?
Cannot be okay lah, not too fast, right? Okay, let me just get you another one. Hold on. Just get me another one. Okay, I'm opening now. Okay, screen. high. Again, there's going to be about 2 questions. Inshallah, inshallah. Sometimes we miss out. Then down here. You know the answer. What's the answer?
What?
Same thing, same thing. You know the answer, right?
Wait. Oh no. No, again, I forgot to pause. Um, I'm just gonna try other letter first.
Yeah, okay. Maybe you tell me, instead of telling me the answer, you tell me how many lines of symmetry each of them have. T, how many lines of symmetry?
1,
H, how many times of symmetry?
2,
E, how many lines of symmetry?
1,
M, how many lines of symmetry?
1.
Okay lah, you champion already lah. You say, okay, down here. Which ones
Yeah.
are symmetrical?
Meaning?
That means which one you can have a line of symmetry lah. Some of them you cannot even have one line of symmetry.
Line.
Line of symmetry. When they say this one, that means can you draw a line like this? Would it, if I draw a line, would it be symmetrical? Like that, in this way?
This is a no.
No. Okay. Which else is a no?
Because of this part.
Okay, what? This one, this one, 2. This one symmetrical, what? So long as you can have one line of symmetry, it's symmetrical. So this one you're correct. Okay, D. But only there's 2. Not only one, you know, there's 2. Which other?
This is confusing.
This is not, because every one is different. Every curve on here is different. So even you cut also this one, you're not gonna
A and D.
A and D. Okay. Can you show me the cut for A? Where's the cut for A? Can you show me? How to cut A?
Straight.
Like that. Okay. Okay, straight. Okay. Yes, well done. Okay, that means you
So
understand.
bad at writing.
No, I also see mine is the same thing, because this is a little bit difficult.
Why?
Down here, this one now. Maybe this is the type of question you come, Mr. Raziq. We don't have much time.
Which line is the line of symmetry for the figures? EF or GH?
EF. Let's see, EF.
I
Down
don't
here,
know.
I draw. You agree?
Yes.
And then down here, you see, you cut down here is black, down here is white. You must follow exactly.
DC.
DC. Okay, let's see. We remove this one now. So DC this one. Okay, so yeah, down here, black, white, black. Yes, well done. CD. Yeah, so easy, right? You get, it's like a mirror image. It's like you, okay, never mind lah. We move on. I think you're quite good at this, but let us see. Maybe there might be more.
What time is Farizum?
We're gonna end at
What time is Farizum?
6. All this on down here. How many more squares need to be shaded? Let's say it's all shaded here. I shade for you the original one. It's like that, yellow like that. Imagine lah, it's all inside the box.
How many
You shade you shade the other side. Can you shade the other side? You shade the other side.
This one right here.
Okay, this one. Okay, some more.
This.
Okay, some more. Any more?
This and this.
This one.
Yes.
And this one. Well done. So how many squares do you shade?
How is this a square?
1, 2, 3.5 lah. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, half square. Okay. Half square is triangle lah. Well done, well done.
So what? 3.5, 3.1.
3.5 or 3.5. Okay, hold on, let me see. So far, symmetry, is it better for you or you still blur?
Still need.
Still need, okay, still need. I will now give you the next one there. Henry Park, Can see the screen, Henry Park? Can you see Henry Park?
Henry Park. Who's Henry Park?
Can you see? I do not know whether you can see. Because share screen. Why? Is it, this one is the same one? No, different. Slightly different.
AB.
AB, well done, well done. So you're quite good at this, mister? Okay, hold on, We go on to the next one.
What time is Paris?
Paris is 6 p.m. Because you are supposed to start at 5, but you started 5:05 lah. So but unfortunately I have another tuition after Paris. I got a Salat Maghrib, so I cannot extend anymore. This one. Shade 2 more squares.
So my one will end at 6:05.
6 o'clock. I need to take a break for a while, then Faris start 6:05.
Shade 2 more square. 2.
Which one?
I need to get to
Faris, we start 6:05, okay, Faris? I want to take a short break, a 5-minute break, okay? Because I've been sitting down like a duck, like a chicken.
This is confusing.
No, you just need to draw. Of course.
I don't need to care about this one because it's already right here.
Yeah, this one is correct. Okay, your first one correct. But this one you have not shade. The other side you must shade. This one is missing. Okay, good. Okay, all right. So down there. So that's 1 square already. So what you need? 1 more square.
Here.
Where? Yes. Well done, mister. Easy not? Easy not? Quite easy, right? Tricky lah. Sometimes it's whether you can see or don't see. That's all. Let me see. This one no. This one no. This one no. Line of symmetry. Complete the figure. Already completed already lah, son. Okay, actually someone drew already. So sorry. You didn't get that. Let me see.
So now if I want to learn symmetry, I just go to YouTube.
Are you learning from YouTube?
I guess.
Okay. So that means you are quite good lah. Okay, one last one. I will.
If only I can. Yeah, I just saw the drum word.
That one full.
I just saw the drum word.
Okay, yeah, this one. Which of the line is a line of symmetry?
The first one.
Which line the following dotted lines is a line of symmetry?
I put down.
Why is most of the word that is already in the just now one?
Yeah, that's why, because there's not many different questions they can give you lah. Because alphabet, how many alphabet can they give you? This one. Not a symmetrical figure. Which of these is not a symmetrical figure?
It.
Yes, Mr. Faris. How are you, Faris? Okay now.
Yes.
Good.
Adoy.
Which one? Three. Well done.
Three.
Okay, well done. See, you are very good already, Raziq.
Wait.
Okay, you're good. Well done. Hold on, let me see. This is. I think that's all, Raziq. Okay. Faris, are you going to log in or not? Or we continue down here? We continue, all right? Continue, Okay, continue. You just give me